Today, we're going to learn how to properly clean an airbrush after use. Why is it important to clean your airbrush right away? Paint, especially acrylic, dries very quickly. As a result, the nozzle can get clogged, spray quality drops, and you may start seeing splatters and uneven flow. Always use the right cleaner for the type of paint you used. Acrylic cleaner for acrylics, enamel thinner for enamels, and lacquer thinner for lacquers. In this video, I'll show you how to clean an airbrush after using acrylic paint. If you don't have an acrylic cleaner, regular alcohol will work as well. So let's get started. Empty any remaining paint from the cup. Use a tissue to gently wipe the inside of the paint cup, removing any residue. Add a small amount of alcohol or cleaning solution into the cup. Then cover the nozzle cap with a tissue and press the trigger. Since the airflow is blocked, air is forced back into the cup, mixing the remaining paint with the cleaner. You will see bubbles forming. Next, spray everything out into a cleaning pot. Repeat the process with clean alcohol until the liquid runs completely clear. Now unscrew the rear handle and loosen the needle chucking nut. Carefully remove the needle and wipe it clean with a tissue and cleaner, always moving from the thicker end toward the tip. Then remove the needle cap and clean it with a cotton swab. And that's it for the basic cleaning. This includes cleaning the paint cup, the needle cap, flushing the airbrush, and wiping the needle. In most cases, that's all you need. However, if you use your airbrush frequently, it's a good idea to perform a full cleaning from time to time. Now let's move on to deep cleaning. Remove the nozzle cap, then carefully unscrew the nozzle using a special wrench. To clean the nozzle, use a dedicated cleaning tool with a fine tip. Be very gentle, don't apply force, as the nozzle can be easily damaged. Then, rinse the nozzle cap in alcohol. To clean the internal channel, use specialized airbrush cleaning brushes. Choose the thinnest one that fits your airbrush. This helps remove hidden residue that often causes clogs. Cleaning is now complete. Now we can start reassembling the airbrush. Install the nozzle. Then attach the nozzle cap and the needle cap. Carefully insert the needle and tighten the needle chuck. Reattach the handle and screw it back on. Now we can do a final flush. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes cleaning your airbrush after use, and it will serve you reliably for years.